Okay, so the sum we're going to do is 627 divided by 19. So you see I've got my copy set out here with my rough work column to the right. And I'm going to write the sum here. I'll write the dividend 627, giving each digit their own box. We'll do our dividing line differently now for the long one. And I'll put 19 there in one box together. It doesn't need a separate box per digit. But the dividend does. The 6, the 2 and the 7, it's just easier if they're in separate boxes. So, let's start with the first digit, 6. 19 into 6, or 6 divided by 19, I cannot do. 0. Let's try the first two digits together. 19 into 62, or 62 divided by 19. So how many times would we be able to take 19 out of 62? I'm going to start over here in my rough work. 19 and start at, say, 20. I'd say around 3 times I do. 19 multiplied by 3. 3 9's 27. 3 1's 3, 4, 5. 57. I'm not going to be able to fit it 4 times, so I'll do 3. 57. Excuse the writing. Take away. 2 from 7. I cannot do. 2. 12 take 7 is 5. And 6 take 6 is 0. So that's part 1. And we're going to bring our arrow down. 19 into 57. And we don't really need to do any multiplication because we know that 19 multiplied by 3 is 57. So we try again. 19 into 57 goes, our answer up here, 3 times 57. Take away 3 and the answer is 0. So our answer is 627 divided by 19 is equal to 33. Part 1, I'm just going to use the pointer here. 19 into 6 I cannot do. I'll write the 0 just to stop the confusion. 19 into the first 2 digits. 19 into 62. I rounded 19 to 20. 20 by 3-ish. It's just to estimate. So I'll start with 319. Multiplied by 3 over here in my rough work is 57. So I'll put 57 here. 62 take 57 is 5. We'll use our arrow to bring down the 7. 19 into 57 goes 3, so the answer is 33.